In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a component to a new file in Figma. Before we start, a quick note on why this matters. Duplicating a component first is a simple way to preserve your original design work while preparing a clean copy you can use elsewhere. It helps you experiment freely, organize variations, and keep your source component safe from accidental edits as you move it into a different file. Begin by locating the component you want to copy. If you're working with components and instances, make sure you know which one you've selected. The main component is the source version that other instances reference, while an instance is a linked copy. Duplicating an instance gives you another instance. Duplicating the main gives you another main component. Choose the one that fits your workflow so you don't end up with unexpected links later. Now for the action. Press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, that's the Option key. On Windows, it's Alt. Keep it held down the entire time you duplicate. Holding this key tells Figma you want to make a copy rather than just move the original. While still holding Alt, click the component and drag it to a new spot on your canvas. As you drag, you'll see a live preview of where the duplicate will land. Release your mouse to drop the copy, then release the Alt key. That's it. The component is now duplicated with the same properties, constraints, and styles as the original. If your component sits inside an auto layout frame, the duplicate will respect that structure and slot in accordingly. For a cleaner, more precise result, a few quick tips help. Hold Shift while you drag to keep the movement locked horizontally or vertically, so spacing stays consistent. Zoom in if you're placing the copy near tight layouts, and use your spacebar to pan the canvas without breaking the duplication gesture. If auto layout repositions your duplicate in a way you didn't expect, simply undo and duplicate into a nearby spot on the canvas, then drag it where you need it. Once your duplicate is in place, give it a clear name so you can find it quickly later. This makes it easier to use the copy in your new file while keeping your original untouched. With that one Alt drag move, you've created a reliable duplicate that's ready to go wherever you need it next.